Welcome to one of the world's most challenging areas. Here, many individuals are pushed to their limits, and many don't make it past year one. Today on Nature's Menaces, we discover prison's younger, less experienced brother, the community college. I have come today prepared for whatever experience this unrelenting environment throws at me. In addition, I've been put into contact with someone who subjects themselves to this horror every day. Let's go meet them. We begin our descent into the unknown with the last beacon of light shone upon this place. Here, many individuals of the community lead and maintain the very, very scarce stability that can be found in these dangerous lands. Just look at those handrails. They're so dangerous. It is here that we will meet our navigator, Miss Danica Gould. Miss Gould has recently been promoted from the lower statuses, so I thought she would be the perfect link between the civilized and uncivilized gap between myself and the drones of this workforce, known in this society as students. These individuals participate in sometimes life-threatening rituals as dictated by the surrounding society. Here we are in the mainframe of the hive. Now, it is very, very important to not anger even the most civilized of the community. They are very rabid beings, so I will do my very best to speak respectfully and calmly.
Action.
Hello, I'm looking for Miss Gould. I'm Dr. Trey Sturban. Can you inform me of where Miss Gould is residing?
Are you Dr. Sturban? I'm Danica Gould. We spoke about a campus tour.
Oh yes, pleasure to make acquaintance. So tell me, Miss Gould, how long have you been pacifying the students for? I mean, how long have you been working at the college?
Well, I'm a recent hire for one of the full-time positions in administration, but I did attend the college and I got my bachelor's in business here.
Fascinating. So you're telling me that you were able to fight off various key threats to achieve success in your world today? Wow, these primates fascinate me every day. It must have been very difficult to adjust from student life.
Well, school was tough, but I'm excited to make a difference. Are you ready to go? We've got a lot to cover today.
Indeed, I am Miss Gould. First, let me discuss something with my research team. All right, when we head out, we must be very careful to avoid making any brash or sudden movements, and it is essential that we avoid any and all eye contact. All right, let's go.
And cut.
Fascinating.
Here is an information packet on
Fascinating. The elusive clique of chic girls is walking by.
So this way is the pub.
Oh yes, incredible. Interesting architecture for a bunch of primates. The Buccaneer. So these primates have evolved into pun status.
That's the bookstore.
But they're so clever that they've made a pun. Who knew they could evolve so well?
And cut.
Well, we have quite a history here at Peninsula College. Originally...
Hold on one moment, Miss Gould. Just influentially is the mobilized body on their way to the next step of their daily rituals. These students often find fulfillment in their darling lives by creating certain in-groups or cliques, as they were. Here, students come to this facility to partake in the multitude of abnormal rituals that keep a society functioning throughout the day. So, tell me, Miss Gould, what type of sustenance do these students require?
Well, there's the deli on our left, and a lot of students bring food from home. But I suppose you would want to look at the deli.
Marvelous! It seems that the students have evolved to common trade and commerce. Shall we take a look at this deli?
Of course.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, action.
Well, if you want to look at it that way, I guess.
From what the guide has told me, this drink is a sort of ritual to ensure that the students can compete amongst their peers for survival. This is splendid. Perhaps I should experience some of this as a sort of symbol of unity between myself and the community.
Well, I don't think.
And cut. Take that once more. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, action.
In preparation of drinking the concoction once more.
Right. Will you excuse me for a moment, Trey? I have to use the restroom.
Oh, of course, of course, of course. Hypothesis is that regardless of whether that area is safe or not, you will still try to obtain this goal. Is this an unopened can of super energy I see right here? Yes! Yes! Success!
Trey, what are you doing? I leave for a few minutes and you put a box over a student? What is going on here?
My hypothesis was correct, Tanaka. The students did not check for any danger as they approached the trap. I was just testing out a hypothesis or a theory, that's all.
Dr. Sturbin, these students are like normal, everyday people. For you to try to treat them like they're not is unethical in many ways. I may not be a scientist, but even I know ethics, and you are not representing your field at all. Now, if you'll follow me, I'll see that you make it to the bus on time.